Menteri Katanat Social Welfare uba Paul Lyngdoh habakran ha ka jingrakhe ya ka International Day for Person with Disabilities ha ka South Tarik no pra ha ka jingalang ka balalong hapo State Central Library ulaong ba kalong ka badan kam ban Pyllait plilinti malkumjo na ka benta ki briew ki badan jingduna ha ki dukhat met ha ka imlang ka salang khanang ban pen kup bor na ka benta jongki. Ya kani ka program lakhat penlong da ka Office Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities haringkat ka jingatray lang bat ka State Resource Center on Disability Affairs. Ha kani ka singila play ya ka program Empower Fest 2023 da Menteri Katanat Social Welfare ha ka jingadan lang Upravin Bakshi Commissioner Secretary Social Welfare. Menteri Katanat Social Welfare ula pelat paidbah ya ka MeghAbility App na kabenta ban kyrshan ya ki briew ki badan jingduna. Nalor kata ha kani kasngi ka Office Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities kalapan kop buramru ya u Director Kasan Care Rehabilitation Center u Dr. Sandis Aim lingba ka khusnam Champion of Mental Health Advocacy Award bat ukarmo naronha na ka Bethany Society ha ka bayadei bat ka Leader of Equality Award. Kiway pat ki balasya penkup buram ki kentup ya ka kenhun ya leka Meghalaya Blind Women's Football Team lingba ka Sportsmanship Award urupari nongrum lingba ka khusnam Inspirational Artist Award ka St. Edmunds College ka khusnam Trailblazer in Accessibility Award usengrang ji moment da ka Inclusive Media Representation Award bat ka ibadalin da ka khusnam Literacy Award.
To celebrate International Day of Persons with Disabilities, we should ask ourselves first, who are the disabled? Perhaps that question will elicit some soul searching, because we live in a society that is becoming increasingly very self-centered. And in such a society, a day like today should open windows of opportunities for us to revisit what we have learned so far in life. Because like the saying goes, and this was Pyllait who said, education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a spark. I do not know how many of us have had that spark lit in us, but a day like today should suffice to let that spark be ignited. Friends, it was Mother Teresa who said that the greatest and the most challenging disease in the world is not cholera or tuberculosis, but the disease of being ignored. I'm happy that the state government has come forward, as has been amplified in the speech of Mrs. Malak, that a lot of centers and government offices today are being made disabled compliant. Ramps have been constructed in a lot of government buildings, and a number of DPRs is also being prepared to ensure that the remaining offices and institutions have proper ramps for persons with disabilities. And to top it all, we have been having regular interface with various stakeholders to ensure that we do not only show care and attention, but also empathy to persons with disabilities. As I stand here today on behalf of the state government, I would like to share with you a few observations. When you recall that we have somebody who could not hear his own music properly, but became one of the best known composers of classical music in Ethiopia. When we have somebody who could write such moving music but was unable to see, still you wonder. You know that God does certainly have a purpose for each one of us, irrespective of whether we have challenges, physical challenges or otherwise. But I'm happy that a beginning has been made, and of course there is a lot of ground to be covered, but the important thing is that we have made rapid strides ahead, and we will continue to do so with the active support, with the active involvement of each one of you. I would like, before resuming my seat, to remind each one of us that rather than looking at just the government or institutions to solve problems for us, we should ask ourselves, are we part of the problem or are we part of the solution? Because if we are not part of the solution, then we are part of the problem. I would like to wind up by sharing the lines from a well-known song by Clifford, Love and a Helping Hand. It takes a lifetime commitment if we're going to help this land, because a lifetime of problems needs more than pious hands. Take a child who's 3 and I'll show you the man, with a little bit of loving now and a helping hand. Thank you. God bless today's celebration. Thank you.